Hi Flavor Fam and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make fruit rolls for kids with Naynay. So let's get into it.
Look.
Looks nice. So first of all we're going to add 400 grams of strawberries. Can I put some in? Yeah. Oh. Good girl. Put in there. Good girl. $300 grams of mango, put some in. What? Take some out. Take some out. Take some out. Take some out. Okay. Half a freshly squeezed lemon. And 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Now we place the lid on and we blend it up. Now how I press the button? Press this one. This one. Now that's done, we have to cook it down. But because of the heat, we have to give Naynay to Mommy. Let's give an hour. Now Naynay's with Mommy, it's time to place this into the pot and cook it down until it thickens. Now it's nicely thickened and it's a nice consistency like this. It's time to spread all over my pan and leave it to cook down in the oven on a low to medium heat for 4 to 5 hours. See you after it's done. Now it's cooked and cooled down, it's time to roll. Baby, you wanna roll? Roll like this. No, not rub. Roll. Do this. Good girl. Taste this. Yeah, taste it. Nice? Tastes nice? Okay, that's good. Now that's done, it's time to slice. See you when it's done. Now it's been sliced and rolled. I'll put some in the container for Nahara later, but now it's time to tuck in. But it's not me tucking in this time, it's Nahara. Say thank you. Taste it. Yeah, you can eat it. Yeah. Yeah, you could eat it. Put it in your mouth then. Tastes nice?
Nice.
Okay. Then don't forget to follow Nahara at Naynay's Big World. And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed and see you next time. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.